Photoshop file, and then to have access to the library, you'll also need to download the library file. And notice the file extension is .cc libs. So I have them both downloaded to my downloads folder. I can open the PSD file first, so I'll double click on that and it opens in Illustrator. Then when I go to Window Libraries, mine's already here because I did already download it. Sorry. But what you guys will need to do, because yours will be blank, yours won't be here, instead you'll click these little 3 lines, the sandwich lines up here, and you'll say Import Library. Click that, and then you go look for the location. It's probably in your downloads folder unless you saved it somewhere else. And then you'll click this one, module 10.cc. Or no, I'm sorry, this one, module 10 underscore library.cc libs, because that's probably the name of the file that you downloaded. And just make sure the last file extension is cc libs. Say open. And then you will have the way, all the little files here. And you can look at them as icons or lists, whatever you want.